Hello, so in this video I will show you how you permanently delete your LinkedIn account. So the first thing you want to do, you go to the section at the top and click on the section Me. And here you scroll a little bit down and go to the section Settings and Privacy and click on that one. And in here you go to Account Preferences and scroll down where it says Account Management and click on Close Account. And when you click on that one, you have to accept that you want to close your account. So click on Continue. And here you just can click on other and click on next. And you need to write something in this text box. I just say hello. It isn't necessary what you write. And click on next. And after you click that one, you have to enter your password to close your account. And click the box unsubscribe me from LinkedIn email communications, including invitations. And then you can click on done. And there you go. They have now closed your account and you can click on accept or reject. I just click on accept and you get the message we now closed your account.